Apple Card? Do you want to apply for your own Apple credit card? On Rapidguide channel, I'll show you how. First, open the Wallet app on your iPhone and tap the plus button at the top. Select Apple Card and tap. Continue to start your application. Enter your personal information, review the terms and conditions, then submit your application. Apple will check your information and show you your offer, including your credit limit and interest rate if you're approved. Review the details and accept the offer to add your Apple Card to Apple Wallet. Once added, you can use it with Apple Pay for purchases and manage your card directly from the Wallet app. Follow Rapidguide for more simple banking tutorials and app guides.